Kajingnya kop geng liang kabla pauna makiwa kabla tip kum ka Megha Kayak Festival arajar puar. Kabali ru kesian kebasan kabla penlong negeri Bhoi Water Sports and Tourism Cooperative Society Limited. Rengkat kajingnya terilang bat gatna jengokai pertai kejala Meghalaya. Kala sedang haka khatlai terik urisau arajar puar haka shnong kabla tip kum ka White Water ha Umtham haka distrik Bhoi. Hagani kajing kop king liang la sakhiru balawan mane Shimbynta da ki nong king liang ki bapau nam ha ka perthai ki balong ru ki ladu ak perthai bat ki bami khamat ru ha ki jing Lehkai Olympic na ka lengkiri paken thop lang ki nong king liang na ka negeri India bat kum bakat san ngot na ka jela Meghalaya bladat mane Shimbynta ha ki jing kop nya liang ha ka national level kayaking competition ke belalong ha Kerala. Ha kajing keren beginong penyak jikini kajing kop king liang kebelalong ha Umtham ke distrik Bhoi. Uian Vincent bat ke Sheila Vincent kila penpau bagathong bela penlong yakum gani kajing kop ke bapau nama ke pertai hibro kawai kadi nomor kajing temu ban penlong ya ke jela Meghalaya kum kawai ni kijaka kop king liang ke bapau nam omtang ha dari India nrai ke pertai hibro kawai. Bat kerpangru ban penirengkat kerdan ha kajing kun nya liang kat kum ki kerdan jang ke Olympic. Kajingwan bani Shimbynta dik nong yakun kiba la benanam bat kibalong ki Nongjop kan kajing yakun ha ke perthai bat ru kibalong ki nong yakun ha ke Olympics.
So this fifth edition we have many nations. How many nations have come?
15 to 18 countries.
We have around 18 nations are here, and the present world champion is here, Matthias Vega. And also the second in the world is here, Giovanni Di Genova. He is the second in the world. So the first and second ranked here in the world, right here. And some those who have participated in Olympic Games are here, and some of the best kayakers in the world. Some of them are here, and they all are they're drawn to Meghalaya because the rivers in Meghalaya are very challenging, even more challenging than Himalayas. Yes, because they are steeper. Meghalaya rivers are more steep, so this attracts the extreme kayakers. Attracts the best in the world. It's the most challenging rivers in the world. Oh, recovered well. Made a good start. Off he goes down the course. Only 11 years old. Youngest competitor at the event.
My name is Yuzil Yangrai. I stay in Shillong Whitewater Village in Umtham, and I am 11 years old.
So did you experience?
It's good.
Is there any challenges?
There was a class 3 rapid at the bottom, so
That's the challenge.
yes.
So,
It was 2 minutes 32 seconds.
okay.
Along with me, 11.
Okay. What is your message?
Trying and never give up.
Kinong yalam kari Bhoi Water Sports and Tourism Cooperative Society kilong wala kidan shibun kijing ka bandang tentiau ya kene ka Lehkai Sports nomor kade ka bakhamrem da ka benta kidong Shimbynta. Nrai da kajingwan chakamat ki bor sarkar jela Meghalaya ban ai kajing terilang khamtam ban bei pisa kum ka kenhuan kidon kajing kermen ba kenangla ban penurlong ya kajing temu ban penlong ya kene kejaka kum ka wei kejaka ai jihikai ka bananam hakari bro ka wei bat kum juru kum ka wei ni jakai Lehkai king liang ha perthai nang ta ka bala ban kentiu ki khon samla ka jela ki bang nuat ban Shimbynta ha kene kajat jinge Lehkai.
So, as far as the kayaking festival here goes, this is the 5th edition of the kayak festival, but this is one of the biggest editions. And thanks to the Meghalaya Tourism and thanks to the Bhoi Cooperative Society, they have made this possible. It's a good. There's a good prize money. It's among the highest amount of prize money for any kayaking competition in the world, which is why we've attracted a lot of people for this competition. Almost 60 to 70 participants are there today. We have about 18 to 20 different nationalities. We have people from France, we have people in Czechoslovakia, Czech Republic, we have people from New Zealand, people from Mexico, America, from all 4 corners of the world. A lot of kayakers from India also have come. People have come from Uttarakhand, people have come from Karnataka, people have come from Kerala. So I would say that this is like one of the biggest adventure sports festivals that is happening in India right now, or even Asia, in terms of like the kind of quality of athletes that are there competing at this festival. So, and also for the athletes, they are very happy to be here because Meghalaya has a lot of like amazing rivers, from medium rivers to like very hard rivers. So all the international athletes that have come from different places, they are really enjoying being in Meghalaya with the weather. Now it's changing, it's becoming a little bit nicer. And also the flows are pretty strong, and the competition here, people have got a place to stay, and the setting is so beautiful that I think everybody, including the organizers, are having a great time over here.
Kinoy Shimbynta ke Nabari wala poi shakane ke jaka ke kenthop. Kinoy Shimbynta ha ke jingkon Olympic bagenthop ya u Giovanni Di Gennaro na Italy, ka Sofia Reynoso na Mexico, ka Vavra Radilek na Czech Republic, ki Nongjop ki Balabanana Magperthai ki bagenthop ya u Noria Newman na France, baru Adrian Martin na Germany.
Can't see from here.
Can you share something about this sporting happening for the first time, maybe first time here?
Yes.
How do you share something about your experience?
It's awesome here. I love it. I'm super happy to be in India and it's great.
Yeah, it's my first time too, and I'm enjoying it. I'm trying to reach as much people as I can and enjoy as much paddling as possible. I really love it.
We're competing in the professional category.
Yeah.
So can you share about this location here? How do you feel? Since you have been practicing so you share about that?
Yeah, it's really nice. The weather is changing a lot during day by day, so we need to adapt every time. The rapid is quite fun, and to put some slalom gates, it makes it even more interesting. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be hard, and it's gonna be like really, really a good memory when we come back to our country.
What about you?
Yeah, I really like it here. Meghalaya is a really cool place and I'm really happy and thankful to be here.
This is like about a class 3 to class 4 section, which means it is medium to hard difficulty, and it's a great place to train people. So if y'all can maybe set up like a proper kayaking center over here with like access to equipment, because you have the access to the river. If you can coordinate like the schedules with the dam upstream, so there is water like for a couple of hours a day, I think this can be like one of the best centers in this country for the sport, for training of this sport. So in fact, from the 2024 Olympics, this particular discipline that we are going to have, the race that we are going to have on the 15th, that is set to become an Olympic sport. And we want to like showcase that we can execute or organize a race for that Olympic sport right over here, so that this can automatically become the center for that particular race in India.
I think it's one of the best sports. I really love to enjoy the river and the nature. I think it gives you a view that is not common, and we managed to paddle in places where there are no people. It's just something that you can only reach by kayaking, and I think it's really good to develop something also here in India, so we can meet your athletes around the world in other competitions.
I would say that take care of your rivers because you guys have a paradise, and keep developing the sport and fight for your dreams.
Thank you very much.